What's going on, everybody? It's Jay from the Wednesday Night Whiskey Committee, here with another Tasting Tuesday video. This week we have a special guest on the show. This was donated to us by Rick Wirtz, and he said, guys, I want you to try this for your tasting video, and I said, well, sure. This is the Knob Creek Smoked Maple Small Batch 90 proof. Now, just going from what the label says, I'm going to assume that it tastes like smoked maple. But we will give it a shot here, and wow, already I can taste breakfast. That's fantastic. Hopefully we'll give it a go here. Already it's not even to my nose yet, and all I can smell is just maple syrup. Yeah, big time. Other than that, it's a very light nose. There's not a whole lot of any other kind of smell to it except for just that overbearing syrup smell. So we're going to give it a shot here. Honestly, I'm not holding out a great expectation for the... Wow. That's downright terrible. It really, really is. I read the tasting notes and stuff for it, and it said that it was lightly sweet. That's a bold-faced lie. That is just full-on sweet. That's about all you can taste is the sweetness to it. Has kind of a big burny kind of aftertaste, and I'm not a fan of that at all. If you are interested in my cohorts and their opinion, they will give it to you in the comment section, but I can almost guarantee they're not going to like it either. So, for this week, again, Knob Creek Smoked Maple. If you want to think about trying it, don't recommend that at all. So, we'll see you next time.